Hi friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to reduce the vibrations on your controller while you play Miles Morales. You can change the settings inside Miles Morales gameplay. So for that, right, if you want to reduce the vibrations, intensity or adaptive triggers, everything you can do inside Miles Morales. So for that, right, you need to press this options button and come to settings. Under settings, right, come to game. Choose this game. So here you can see this options controller. Directly you can turn off the vibrations on PS5 setting itself. If you want to specifically disable the vibrations on Miles Morales, you can follow these instructions. So here, right, under controller vibration settings, I'm going to change it to none. Controller vibration is disabled. So by default, right, if you change it to none, automatically vibration intensity also will be disabled, and you can change the adaptive trigger as well. So you can turn it off. When enabled, this function allows the R2 and L2 buttons to dynamically change distance during traversal actions. So that's it. This is auto saved, and going back, you can check now. So I will not feel any adaptive triggers or even vibrations which will not be coming on DualSense controller. So that's it friends. This is the way you can disable controller vibrations on your Miles Morales PS5 or PS4. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye friends and take care.